And they're still writing bonuses for themselves. But for us, what about us? But we know what happens to us. That's what my party, the PSL, stands for. It stands for taking the power out of the hands of the billionaires and putting it in the power of the people. They have run this system for long enough. It is time for them to move aside. It's time for us, the workers, to step up to the plate. Don't tell the workers, don't tell a mother, oh, you don't know how to run things, politics is not your thing. We can teach the billionaires a lesson on how to get things done. It starts by putting our interests first. People over profits for a few. Let's look at what people's power could mean in this city. The billionaires are gonna pay for this crisis. They created it, they paid for it. Tax Wall Street and the big landlords, not the people. People before banks. The city currently pays $5 billion every year to the banks and corporations in debt payments before it even makes it to the city council budget. We're calling to the city to put a bank to the back of the line. Every single New Yorker has a right to a job. New York City should be an eviction-free zone. No foreclosures and no evictions in the city. Education. Education is a right. Make sure that every child in the city has a safe and modern classroom. Raise the salary of every single public New York City school teacher. And make sure the parents have a real say in their children's curriculum. CUNY should be free. That's what we need in New York City. In fact, that's what we need all across this country. But it's not going to happen unless we make it happen. I'm asking all of you to vote for me this November. I'm asking everyone here in this room to work with my party, the PSL, to make sure that in this election, more people begin to see what a new system. We need people's power. We need socialism. Most of all, I'm asking everyone here to help us build this movement. Because we can't really hope for the change that we need to come from an election. After all, the whole election system is rigged in favor of the billionaires. We know that, and we don't want to make anyone think any different in this room. But what would I say about our class, our people, if during the most serious economic crisis in our country has faced in decades, a billionaire could run for mayor while the people put up a fight? That's what the PSL is here for. That's why I'm running against the billionaires in this city in this election. And I'm not just talking about Bloomberg.